Hi everyone, welcome to Minimalist Crypto. This is my first video. Great to have you with me. Apologies in advance for any minor hiccups that may occur during this video, as is my first attempt. But let's dive right in and get straight to it. Okay, as you can see, we have the Litecoin chart here in front of us. I'm keeping it pretty simple in keeping with the title of my channel, with the indicators, with the layout of my chart. I do use a variety of indicators, but I like to keep it simple. I don't like a messy chart. I don't like thousands of indicators because I don't think they're necessary. I've tried many of them. So what you can see here is there's a few different ways we can look at this chart, but what I've gone with is this clearly identifiable wedge pattern that Litecoin has been playing with for, well, if we want to count it here, December 22, if we want to count it from beginning here, February, you might say it's not quite touching here, but that's because the 200 weekly moving average, which is this red line, was preventing it from getting a full touch up there. But anyway, as you can see, been playing along here, playing along here, playing along here, multiple touches to the upside, and formed a nice wedge, broke out on the 30th of June, right here. Now, what has happened since we had that mega breakout of the 200 weekly moving average, okay, hit $115, came back down. Now it lost the 200 weekly moving average, retested it here. We would have liked to see it hold it, but it didn't. Retested it, failed to break through a second time and hold, which we would have liked to see. That did not happen. Okay, excuse me. We've actually broken back down and are now at this moment retesting the breakout point of that channel. Now, here's what we don't want to see. Retest, breakdown, because at that point, I'm bearish on Litecoin. There is the potential for a breakdown, false breakdown if you like, and recovery back through. But at this point, I don't like it if that happens. But we're not there. It has so far held. If we want to look at the 1 hour time frame, Litecoin, as you can see on the 1 hour time frame, 200 weekly moving average, tried to hold it, couldn't hold it, broke down, another attempt, and here's the point where we're retesting that trend line. Now, as I say, if we can hold it, beautiful. We just need to have another go at the 200, and it's looking like quite a nice bottom formation there. Bit of consolidation before continuation to the upside, hopefully. If we get that, we want to see this broken. This is at $101. If we get the retest, we hold and bullish on Litecoin short term, not long term. There is speculation that the pre-halving rally is in. This was the top. Benjamin Cohen has been speaking about that. I'm not so sure. I think there's a lot of whales out there looking to offload. So for me, quite simply, hold the breakout of the wedge here. We don't want to go below, let's say, 89 to 91, in that range. We can draw a little range there if we like. Let's get a little triangle here, rectangle, sorry. We don't want to go below this range. Okay, we go below that range, and we retest it and fail down. I'm bearish on Litecoin for the rest of this year. Basically, that's the halving rally in, and we're done. Okay, now, final note is this: levels to watch. Levels to watch are 200 weekly moving average, previous highs, and if we look back historically, which can always tell us something, our next point after this, which we've tested it, you can see 115. Our next point, significant resistance, significant point, is $132 to $135. Let's call 130. just for handiness sake. If I was buying here, which wouldn't be an unreasonable idea because we're getting the retest, I would be looking to offload at $130. I would not be getting caught up in the hype of Litecoin at this point. Okay, that's it. That's an update on Litecoin. I hope you enjoyed my first video, and I hope you will return as things will improve in future. And thanks for coming. All the best. Bye now.